What's going on, guys? Seymour Travel 77 here. Today I'm at Ashford International here in Kent. Here we have a high-speed Southeastern service now going to Margate. Class 395. Over on platform number 6, 375 615, going to Canterbury West, stopping at all stations. And there is where the Eurostars that don't stop at Ashford pass through.
Southeastern service to Dover Priory, calling at Western Hangar, Sandley, Folkestone West, Folkestone Central and Dover Priory. This train is formed of 8 coaches.
Going into platform 5, as you just heard, of the class 375 623 Southeastern service to Dover Priory. Dover Priory train now departing Ashford International, platform number 5. Three 75623 and 375 825. Just about to depart platform 6 is the Canterbury West train for Southeastern, 375 616. This is the service from London Victoria via Maidstone East. A Eurostar coming into Ashford International. I believe the 373s. Going into London St Pancras. They don't get as many as they used to, Eurostars stopping here at Ashford International, as now they go, most of them pass through there and stop at Ebbsfleet. I saw one of the Eurostar pass through this before. But anyway, just departing here, sandwich train 395 015. And coming in, we have 395 123 for a service to London St Pancras International, calling at Ebbsfleet, Stratford and Ashford and St Pancras. Here on platform 6 we have 395024 for a Southeastern high-speed service through to Margate. About to depart platform 6. Joe Peacock, that one's called. Now arriving in 375903. 375622 in the middle. About to arrive on platform 6 with a class 395 service. Oh no, 375 terminating here. It's 377504. And departing platform number 5, Southeastern service through to Ramsgate. 903622 for 375, and the rear is 375628. And coming in over there, we have a 375 free car service. 375301, and over there a Southern class 171727. Here on platform number 1 we have 377502 for Southeastern service going to London Victoria. Departing platform 2, 375301 to Charing Cross and a friend. There goes the Eurostar. And the real this one is 377505. Anyway guys, I'm going to wrap up the video now. Thank you for watching, please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now. This is what the interior looks like of a Southeastern class 377. I believe it's the next Southern and Thameslink.